How to get Chinese TikTok on iPhone. How to get Chinese TikTok on Android. If you're someone who's worried about the future of TikTok and still want to keep using it, you might want to switch to Chinese TikTok. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, Star Phone. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get the Chinese version of TikTok on iPhone and Android. If you're someone who's worried about the future of TikTok and still want to keep using it, you may want to switch to Chinese TikTok. The following steps would help you understand what Chinese TikTok is and how you can use it on your phone. Within 4 years of its launch, TikTok has become the most popular social networking platform around the globe by just allowing users to create and view short-form videos. And as you can tell, there are two versions of TikTok, and yes, you can have both of them. You don't have to delete the original version or anything like that, so I'm going to open up the original one. And as you can tell, it's just a regular TikTok, something you know here, my For You page, something that you would regularly see. And then now I'm gonna open up the Chinese version of TikTok. And as you can tell, it looks way different. It has some sort of like animated filter here. Not only because of the worries about the future of TikTok, many people are already transferring from the regular TikTok to this Chinese version TikTok just because they want to kind of see what's different in the Chinese TikTok. You probably heard these big questions recently. Is TikTok safe for us? When is TikTok getting banned? Is Microsoft going to acquire TikTok? Although the popularity of the platform has soared over time, like anything online, TikTok has also attracted criticism revolving around its privacy policy and user data. The app has garnered so much bad press that India has implemented a ban on it alongside a bunch of other Chinese apps, with the US expected to follow as well. If you're someone who's worried about the future of TikTok and still want to keep using it, you might want to switch to Chinese TikTok. The following steps would help you understand what Chinese TikTok is and how you can use it on your phone. What is Chinese TikTok? Chinese TikTok is the Chinese version of the popular short video sharing platform, which is labeled as Douyin. Douyin, also developed by TikTok's parent company ByteDance, is the Chinese version of the video sharing service made for the use because of Chinese controlled online environment. In simple words, Douyin is the official version of TikTok in China, while outside of China, the platform takes up the TikTok brand. The Chinese version has over 400 million daily active users, which translates to over 2/3 of the mobile social network space in China. The idea of having the native Chinese version of TikTok is just like WeChat, which is Tencent's international offering, while users in China are supposed to use the Weixin app instead. Is Chinese TikTok similar to official TikTok? Douyin in many ways is identical to the international TikTok app, but ByteDance has managed to separate the two, one that sticks to the local policies in China, the other without it. Both apps have similar user interfaces, showing videos on the two streams, Following and For You, and even the user profiles have the same design language. The only difference between the two is that the overseas TikTok doesn't have a wallet function that Douyin has, letting users complete transactions in a few taps within the app. Douyin users can buy items, purchase movie tickets, transfer money to users, and make transactions using a QR code. Other than that, it has been found that ByteDance doesn't allow native Chinese users to use TikTok, while there are many instances of Douyin being used by non-Chinese residents. How to download Douyin Chinese TikTok app on your phone, regardless of whether you have TikTok installed on your phone or not. You can use the Douyin app if you want to. To get started, you will have to download the Douyin app and create a new account on the service. How to get Chinese TikTok on Android. The official Douyin can be downloaded on your Android device by heading over to the Douyin website and tapping on the download button that has the Android icon inside it. Alternatively, you can download the latest version of the Douyin app from the APK Mirror and install it on your Android device. After installation is done, Open the app and create a new account like you did when signing up on TikTok. I'll also put a download link for you in the description section of this video. Check out the description. I believe it will save you some time. How to get Chinese TikTok on iOS. Unlike on Android, installing the Douyin app on your iPhone or iPad can be a relatively messy affair. You will have to change your Apple ID country to China, and only then you will be able to download the Douyin app on your iOS device. By the way, before changing your Apple ID, you should make sure that you have spent all of your current stored credit on your Apple ID and cancel your subscription like Apple Music, TV, Arcade. To change your Apple ID country to China, open the Settings app on your iOS device, tap on your name and head over to iTunes and App Store. Your Apple ID, view Apple ID. In this screen, select Country, Region option tab. Change country or region. Select China from the list and agree to the terms and conditions. Enter your billing address. Choose your payment method as none and tap on Next to complete the process. Once your Apple ID has been changed to China, you can proceed to download the Douyin app from the Apple App Store. Open the App Store, search for TikTok, and download the app with Douyin 短视频 in the title that pops out first in the search list. You can create a user account on Douyin and switch back to your original Apple ID country once done, so you can use all your other apps the way you used them previously. And hey, if this is your first time here, I'm Eric with The Star Point. Welcome to my channel. If you are searching for trending topics, business ideas, and wondering how to grow your influence online, this is for you. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button. I will share more content like this. I'm Eric. See you in the next